Do you use Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter? I'm 1000% sure that you do, and I'm sure that you leave likes and comments on these apps all the time. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop doing this for free and how to get paid for doing exactly what you do anyway. You don't need to be an influencer, you don't need any fancy skills or experience, and you don't need to pay for anything. You just need to grab your device, have a working internet connection, and pay close attention to every single money-making minute of this short video, especially to the bonus website that I'll be showing you at the end. If today's method sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get into it. In fact, let's start with a crazy recommendation. Just click the first link in the description box and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a complete beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So, if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. So, as I said, I'm going to share a platform with you that will pay you for just leaving likes and comments. And this is what really makes it so good. Leaving likes is something you all do on a daily basis, so you wouldn't be wasting your time, so to speak. You'll just be spending the same amount of time leaving likes, but you'll actually get paid for doing so. Without further ado, here is the first website and the main website that I will show you today. It's called Likes Planet. As you can tell by the name, on here you can of course get paid for just leaving likes. To see how this all works, all you would need to do is click on How It Works right up here. And on the following page, you will see the way this website functions. So first things first, you will need to sign up, of course. You will then like and view pages, and you can then cash out. But you can also exchange the points you earned on this site from leaving likes for your own likes and subscribers on your YouTube channel perhaps, maybe your Facebook page, and so on. It's worth noting that you can exchange points for likes on other websites. A really great feature for those of you who have another page or whatever. For those of you who are perhaps a bit skeptical about the site, I encourage you to scroll down to the bottom of this website, then click on Payment Proofs. Here on the next page, you'll be able to see exactly what I've shown you in the intro. These are people from all over the world getting paid with this website, and they are getting paid via PayPal. So yes, this site offers PayPal, and I know many of you will be happy about that. On this very page, you can see the total amount of money paid out, which is over $18,400 thus far. Now, do keep in mind, guys, that you won't be earning thousands of dollars straight away from this website. I always mention this in my videos just so you don't get your expectations too high. Don't expect to replace your full-time income with this platform by just leaving likes. It does not work like that. You'll instead be earning some money here, and then you can save up to get closer to your financial goals, as all of these people are doing. But that's still awesome nonetheless, and it's not a low amount of money for a site like this, because you aren't doing anything hard. And as I said before, it's something you're doing already on a daily basis. To start making money with this site, what you have to do is click on the Register button right here first. On the following page, just type in your username, email address, retype the same email, type your password, retype the password, leave this referral box empty since nobody referred you to the site, and lastly, type in the numbers you will see here. Then click on Register below to create your new account. Before you can start making money with the website, I need you guys to head over to your Gmail account and find a message from Likes Planet that will look something like this. Note that if you cannot see it in your regular inbox, it's likely in your spam section, so be sure to check there. Either way, when you open up the message, you want to now click right here to confirm your email. That way you can actually start making money with this website. And with that done, you can now start getting paid by leaving likes with this site. And this is what everything will look like on the platform when you actually log in. Before I show you how to get paid by leaving those likes, it's noteworthy that they offer an awesome referral program, giving you 50% commissions, which is rare to say the least. And you will earn even more money per active referral, meaning that if someone you refer to here is using the website regularly, you'll make more money. With that said, let me show you how to get paid for leaving those likes. What you need to do is as follows. Hover your mouse over Earn Points/Money right here, and then choose what platform you want to leave likes on. I'll go with YouTube as an example. All I need to do from here is hover my mouse over YouTube and then click on Video Likes here. On the next page, I will see all of these videos I can like to get paid. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the like button here, and it will take me to the video in question. I'm going to like the video, close the tab, and when I come back to Likes Planet, I should get a notification that I got paid. And as you can see, I actually did get paid for leaving a like on that video. This is basically how this works, guys, and it's pretty much the same for all the other platforms too. So you just do the same thing if you want to leave likes on Facebook posts, Twitter posts, and so on. Before we move on, it's worth mentioning that you'll also get a 200-point bonus on this website whenever you log on to it, which is a really awesome feature because it means you'll earn some money even if you didn't leave a single like to begin with. Once you have earned a decent amount of money, all you would need to do from there to withdraw it is first click on Cash Out here on this page. You now just have to scroll down a bit until you come across this section, then type in the amount you want to withdraw. Select your payment method, which is of course PayPal, and click on Request Cash Out to get paid. On a side note, you need at least $2 made in order to be able to cash out. It's a bit annoying, I know, but it's not a lot of money, so it shouldn't be a problem at all. And with all of that said, guys, now I want to show you the bonus website that I have for you today. And it's this one right here called zoombucks.com. This platform, unlike the previous one, will not pay you for leaving likes, but it's a lot more diverse with more options, so I would recommend trying it out. As you can see on the homepage here, this website will pay you for completing surveys, watching videos, and doing certain offers. As many of you can guess, I would highly recommend watching the videos with this website to get paid. It's fun and effortless since you don't actually have to do anything, and most importantly, you can do whatever you want while the video is playing, meaning that you don't have to watch it per se to get paid. If you scroll down on the homepage here, you will see that this website offers a variety of payment options for you to choose from. You have gift cards from a bunch of different companies, but if you click onto See All Rewards here, you will be able to see on the next page that yes, you can indeed get paid via PayPal on this website, so not just gift cards. To start making money on this website, all you need to do is sign up by entering in all of your info in these boxes here, and then click on Sign Up Now below. Or you can just connect your Facebook or Google accounts with this site and sign up that way. Either way, you'll be able to make some decent money doing various tasks. And I would recommend combining this site with the previous one I showed you to make the most amount of money possible. And that is it for today's tutorial. If you found this useful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on, and I'll see you next time.